A lot of times you can just smack them. So today on Project Shop, I'm going to show you how to get the transformer out of these old magnetic ballast. Now, if your ballast, see if I can get that to focus in there, says anything like electronic or quicktron, you don't even want to waste your time. So first thing you want to do with these to get them out, and they're full of that black potting compound, and it's like a tarry substance. What you have to do to get that off is freeze them. Once you freeze them, it becomes brittle. This stuff comes right out, and then what you want to do is get your screwdriver down in behind there and pry the bottom off. Once you have that out of there, you can see, use your screwdriver. That's what you're left with, okay? You got a capacitor and then the transformer. This stuff, look at that, it's coming right off. You can basically just tap it. And then the transformer, all these transformers have just a clip that holds the top on, and they literally come apart, okay? Just like that. Then you can take that transformer, set it up on something, and drive it out. Another one. The hardest part is getting the bottom piece off. A lot of times, you can just smack them, and you can see the stuff is coming off. You get your screwdriver up in there, open it up a little. I wish I had another screwdriver to make it a little easier. Hold on, let me find another screwdriver. Okay, so it really doesn't take much, but this one's being tough. There it is. Once you have that out of there, all that stuff will just fall right off, and there's that clip. Knock the clip off. These transformers are just clipped together. They're not even welded like those other transformers. And then that, same thing. What you want to do is either put that in the vise. Let me see if I can't. Take these, put them in the vise, and you can start knocking out the steel. Find a pusher. Had to find a thin one. Now, if you don't have a press, this is the way you do it. There you have it, number 2 copper. The other one is upside down. I always give them a good whack with the hammer by itself first, and then once you got it free, we're hitting the bottom of the vise. There you go. Okay, so this is what we recovered that's worth anything out of that fluorescent ballast. We had number 1 prepared steel, number 2 copper, and sheet steel. Now I had 2 exact ones so we can get the total weight. I forgot to weigh it in the beginning. 3.8 pounds total. Then we had, this is all the number 1 steel, 1.6 pounds. Make sure I get all that out of there. And then we got number 2 copper, 0.4 pounds. Okay. Okay, let's see if they're worth actually breaking down. So total weight on them was 3.8 pounds, or on that particular one. I get 10 cents a pound, so that would have been worth 38 cents as is by itself. The number 2 copper was 0.4 pounds. At market value is worth $1.02, which was about 20% of the transformer. Sheet steel, the outer case, 0.8 pounds. I get 4 cents a pound, so you're looking at about 3 cents for that. And the number 1 heavy steel was 1.6 pounds, worth 6 cents a pound, about 9 cents. So in total is worth $1.14 broken down, which is literally like 3 times as much if you just sold it. And then it only took me, I mean, if I sat there and busted down, I can bust these down in less than a minute. So you're talking about $1 a minute you can make breaking these down. So is it worth it? That's for you to decide.